Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install SQL Server. I am going to install my SQL Server in my VMware machine, Windows Server 2012 VMware machine. That same process will be followed when you install SQL Server in your any of the Windows machine. So let's start. This is my SQL Server software. To click on the setup option, I am going to install MySQL Server 2016. Click on installation. I need to click on new SQL Server standalone along installation or add features to an existing installation. Click over there. Now I am going to install the specify of free edition. If you have product key, you can select this option and you need to provide your product key. For me, I am going to install this. Click next. Accept the checkbox. Click next. There is some issue. Let's see what happened. Okay, it's not taking the restart, that's why it's so a issue. Start again. Okay, let's restart my machine once. Let's see what happened. Click over there, restart it. I am going to select the plan restart option. Okay, restart anyway. Let's give the password. Oh, password is not taking. Now we will see that what will happen if the error gone or we face the error again. Yes, the error is gone. So I am not going to select this checkbox. This is for automatic update. I don't want to allow this as it is recommended. If you require, you can select this checkbox. Now click next. Now search the update. Okay, let it be and click next. There is some warning is coming. So warning we can ignore. but if the status is failed, we need to be check that why we are getting failure status. So again, click next. Here we need to check some of the checkbox. As per your requirement, you can check the checkbox, and also if you select any of the checkbox, you can see that the description in the right hand side, so that you also understand that what is the purpose of this option. So according that you can select it. So for me, I am going to select that database engine service, SQL Server replications, R services, and is there anything? It is already selected. So okay, leave it. Now I can proceed. And here is the we need to provide the instance root directory, the C drive, a program file, Microsoft SQL Server. If I want to change the directory, I can change it, but okay, no problem, let it be. Now click on next. Too much time. Okay, it's done. I need to provide the name instance. So name I can give according to me, not a issue. So I am going to give Windows Server SQL. Win Server SQL, and instance ID will be same. If you click outside, it will take automatically. It should take automatically, but it is not taking. Okay. Repeat and give it same. Oh, let's take automatically as I told. Click next. This is okay, no need to change. If we want to change, we can click here, customize, and change it here, but for me it is okay, so cancel it. Account, this is SQL agent, database engine, grant perform volume maintenance task privilege of SQL database engine server. No need to select it that. Left it as it is and click on next. Here we need to select the mix mode so that we can access through SQL authentication and Windows authentication also. So we need to provide a password. data directory we need to select. So here we can give the where we need to store our logs, where we need to store our what will be our root directory, all that things, where we need to store our backups. So I'm going to change it one by one. I want to change its link, the link provided automatically. I want to give my own links. So let me create a folder in D drive. So I have created three folder, one for log, one for backup, and one for temp. So okay, in the log directory I'm going to change it D drive logs. And backup directory I'm going to change it D drive backup. Okay, root directory I can leave as it is. It will be my root directory, no issue. Use database dictionary. So I am going to give the temp directory to the database dictionary. Oh, temp directory I can add it. First I need to remove the path is given automatically. Temp log directory I can change it a log directory. File system is okay, dictionary okay, server it is. Means the system administrator account to provide a last one Windows account. Why it's coming? I want to add. Okay, I don't have any group or user, so I want to use the server one, my current user only. Okay, click on next, accept it, again click on. This is coming for only that I am select this one, this option. If I remove it, then this problem will not coming. Let's see. Leave it. Next. I think all are remaining same, so not a issue. We can click on next. Here we can see that about our configuration. Then click on installation. It will take some time to install. Once the installation will be completed, I will proceed further because it will take some time. Or if any error occur, if any error I face, that also I will show you that how to resolve the error. Now we can see that our SQL Server 2016 setup is completed. Let's close it.